Hi, my name is Vix Meldrew, and I'm a full-time content creator and online educator. My personal brand is my full-time job. I also founded Grow and Glow, which is a community of creators who come together to empower one another on their brand building journeys. The biggest asset I've found when building my personal brand has been Instagram. Its content mediums and features such as grids, stories and lives turn it into an endless digital space to generate opportunities for engagement. It's a social media in which you can express your own voice, create brilliant content and engage your audience. For this, it is fundamental to find your niche and make your Instagram more about your community. In this Domestika course, I'm going to show you the process that I went through to find my niche, identify my ideal audience, brand my profile, and create content that I now publish, which gets thousands of likes, comments, shares, new followers every single time I post. As part of your final project, you will create a bank of niche-specific content that you will post on your newly branded profile. First, we'll look at how to get your brand values, vision, and voice across on your profile. Then we'll look at how to create content pillars to showcase the topics that you love to share. We'll also touch upon the various Instagram mediums you can use to share your message. We'll finish on how to implement a content plan. I'll guide you through how to engage with your current followers, how to find a new audience, and how to use hashtags. By the end of this course, you will have taken your Instagram profile from strung out to stand out, and you will have created a bank of killer content that is going to wow your new audience. This course is for any Instagram user who wants to have a follow-worthy, impactful, and purposeful profile. Create great value content, connect with your Instagram community, and watch your platform soar.